Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna tell you about how you can make your own vision board for coming 2023. Today I'll give you the step-by-step process and you can make it yourself. It is very easy because when you are doing this vision board, that means you are really creating your life, how it will be in the upcoming year. So let's get started. Before going to start, this is Nilakantam Manifestation Certified Coach, and I'll also provide the services for training and healing process. All the list information will be given in the description box. You can check out. Okay. So let's get started. The topic: how you can make the vision board. Yes. What is vision board actually? Vision board is a collection of images and words and represents your goals and desires for the future. Yes, it is just like a manifestation technique tool. You can say that any technique, it is also a tool to get the manifestation that you can use the manifest everything that you are looking to come into your real life in the entire year. You can make this vision board for short term and also for long term. Excel 1 year and 2 years, 4 years, 5 years also you can make it. That is all up to you. Why we need to make this vision board? This is also important question, right? So why we need to make a vision board? Vision board is always help you to focus on your desires by displaying your goals on your 24/7. At least every time when you walk and when you see that images, you will feel your goals are very important to you, and they help your subconscious mind to focus on what you want to achieve by reminding you of your goals. And you know what, even anyone anyone can make the vision board, just using with the images. Okay, and it will definitely give you, it's only take few seconds, and if you seeing that particular images, and when you visualize yourself achieve that goals and all, it will come really in your life. Okay, so this is most important. And step 1, what you have to do: first, be clear and define your goals. Sit in a quiet place and think about what you want to manifest into the upcoming year. Write down your thoughts, whatever the coming in, just a keywords. Okay, preferably as a list, or you can mind map also. You can use this. How you can, just like imagine that you are planning for a travel. Okay, and where you want to go, how much budget is there, and which places you want to see, with whom you want to go, everything you just list out. That is also one of the desire. Just like if you want to make money, how much money you want to make, how you are planning, like what is the passive income or direct income you want to make it, what kind of income, affiliate income, whatever it may be. And if you are planning to go to abroad for the study purpose or job purpose, and how you are planning, like just like what is your exact desire, make a list of those things. Okay, if you, just like if you just need to be clear about what you want, that is the most important. Okay, step 2, start the background work. What you need to do the background, like for example, uh, um, use the blank posters. Okay, just like make one board. Okay, bullet boards will be there, and you can also study board will be there, right? Yeah, use one cardboard. Okay, whatever you want, you just make it ready, one board, and start collecting the images according to your particular desire. For example, if you are looking to get a specific person in your life, and you want to get married with him or with her, just take the photographs and try to use those photographs, which one, like how he or she has to look, and what are the personality they should have, identify those things. And otherwise you can google it related to that desire. Okay, that is also okay. And the most important one, you can cut those images from the newspapers also. Otherwise you can take the printouts those from the any of the color photo studios. You can go and make it pictures, and otherwise you can take the color xeroxes also. Okay. If you find anything like color images in the magazines also, you can cut and you can keep it with them with you. And also take some kind of words, letters also you need to cut it, so that you can make some kind of quotations or affirmations with them. Okay. So you can also use the color pens, sketch pens for the writing of quotes or affirmations. Okay. You can use your like if you want to go for any events or there, if you have already gone there and you have old event tickets or anything, if you have, you can use them. Or any bills you want to pay, use the old bills. Okay. And just try to be like try to use collecting the images wherever you get according to your desire. You just make it. And those cut papers and cut letters, you just need to use with the gum and make it in a proper place. Okay. So you can cut those images, newspapers and magazines, and you can cut just letters. And you just have to be like very clear, and make sure that every desire have one picture and one affirmation, at least one affirmation, and make it in front of just prepare that vision board, and keep it in your front in your place wherever you are sitting, and most of the place where you can see, just keep it there, hang out in walls or keep somewhere else wherever you want to keep it. And just like you just need to do every time while you seeing that, imagine that situation, imagine that goal you have already achieved, so that this will come really in your life. And you can't even believe this, 100% it will work out. Try. And whoever prepared their vision board, just let me know. Come back to this video, and if you have achieved anything, just comment back, and I love to see those images also. If anybody make, you can share with me, DM me in Instagram. Okay, my Instagram links are everything is there in description box. You can check out. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today, and we'll meet you tomorrow with the next and different video, different concept. Bye bye. Take care.